Alright, let's settle this once and for all. Do YouTube hashtags actually help your videos, or are they just pointless decorations?
So nice.
Let's break it down. You've probably seen these little guys before, hashtag funny videos, hashtag gaming, hashtag epic fails, but do they actually do anything for your video's reach? Short answer: no one knows for sure. Even YouTube itself hasn't confirmed that hashtags boost search rankings or recommendations. But here's what we do know: hashtags help categorize videos, making them easier to find when people click on them. They also show up in search results, so there's at least some potential for extra views. Do they guarantee more views? No. But do they hurt? Also nope. And adding them takes, what, 5 extra seconds? So, the best strategy? Use them! You never know when one might help your video pop up in search results. Just don't go overboard. YouTube only recognizes the first 15 hashtags, and stuffing them in won't magically make your video go viral. Bottom line, there's no solid proof that hashtags boost your video's success, but they are quick, easy, and might help. So, why not use them? Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips.